exciting video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be installing the gloss black front grille for the 335i. I tried to find the cheapest option that I can for now, because this is a budget build. So I went with the cheapest option, and it doesn't look that bad. It does not look that bad. So I think everything came out great, came out awesome, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, I just picked up a package from the post office. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, and what we have here is the front grille, the gloss black front grille for the 335. I don't know if this is high quality, but hey, doesn't look bad at all. Guys, let me know what you think. It doesn't look bad at all. Well, I'm gonna go and install this and see what it really looks like on the car. I'm about to change out the chrome grille to the gloss black. Alright guys, so in order to remove the grille, you gotta unscrew these bolts. I believe they're a torque bit, or you could use an Allen key to remove these 4 bolts to get to the grille. I have a set of Allen key here that I picked up from AutoZone. Let's get right into it. I apologize for the wind noise. It's very windy today. It's a little difficult to get into. Alright, the second one. Oh shit. They're all the same size. Pick this one up. All right, this is the third one. And finally, the fourth one. Okay, once all that's done, you can easily push the bumper back like this, and there are clips underneath. You could use a flathead screwdriver to you know, release the clips, but I'm going to use my hands. All right, guys, I got the first one out. It was harder than it looked. It took me a little bit to release that, but for some reason the OEM ones is a higher quality than this. This is much lighter. So I'll put this one on first, and then, or I'll just take both of them out and then do that. Okay, I got both grills off, and now to install the black ones. Okay, I just finished the install of the black gloss grill on the 335i. I gotta say, the car looks much better. You know, a little tiny bit more aggressive looking with that black grill. But like I said, I'm gonna like literally change this whole front look of the car, the front look, the back, this hood, and everything else that could be changed on the car. So yeah, that's it, folks. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. I think I like it. It looks good. The only thing that looks stupid is this damn mirror. I keep folding backwards. I gotta get that fixed. I will take care of that soon. But man, look at that. Look at that black grill. I mean, these the lip is kind of dirty, but you know, who cares? All right, guys, I'm about to change out the chrome grill to the gloss back.